Hello everyone and welcome back. So after the introduction and with all the excitement, we should get straight into the software testing course, right? Definitely yes. However, if you think about the name software testing, you can see that it's half software and half testing. So it makes sense to first take a look at what software is. So, software is all around us but often goes without much notice. No one can argue that software has become an essential component of our modern lives, allowing us to accomplish incredible things. In fact, a lot of software applications are running in the background right now, just you can watch this content. So, software simply brings life to dead pieces of metal and plastic we call computers. A common definition of software is simply a set of instructions that tells a computer or electronic device what to do. These instructions are written by programmers, also known as developers. They use a variety of programming languages, for instance, Java, Swift, Python, maybe Ruby, and the list can goes forever. Very nice. So, software can take many forms, ranging from system software, also known as operating systems. So, Windows, Mac, Linux, Android, all are examples of system software. The second type is the application software. These are the applications that you are already using every day, like the calculator app or even YouTube. And lastly, web applications. Of course, there are also other types of software out there, like embedded software and many more. Alright, I think it's the time now to perform a quick practice. Take a look at your mobile device. Can you list 5 apps that you have on it? You can pause the playback for a moment to write down these apps on a piece of paper while also mentioning how you use each of them. Once you're done, come back here. Very nice. I did the same exercise, and here are the 5 apps I found on my own personal mobile device. So, number 1 is the alarm, which is a useful software that helps me wake up every day. 2. Safari. This is the default web browser on my phone, so I use this application to open other web applications, also known as websites. Number 3, Candy Crush, my favorite game that I play from time to time. 4 is the Mail app, my life companion for obvious reasons. And lastly, 5, the iOS itself, which is the name of the operating system that runs my phone. So, in case you forgot, operating systems are considered software themselves. So it's always amazing when you look at the impact of software on humanity. Software has transformed our lives from the way we connect to revolutionizing industries such as healthcare and entertainment. We live in a time when software has created countless opportunities as well as new jobs and industries. Now that we have grasped the essence of software and its crucial part in our lives, the next logical step is to take a look at its construction and see how it's built. And that's what we are going to encounter in the next lecture.